is crack of dawn, 4:10 in the morning. Heading to the shop. I'm going to give you guys the best play-by-play I can for the day. That includes me driving to work to meet for the fishing meet. If that makes sense. All right, we are on the way. I will keep you posted. Let's go. All right, it's 6:41 in the morning. I have no idea where we're at. I just fell asleep for a while. Woke up, did have to wait for a coworker to get to the shop because they overslept or something, so I had to wait a half an hour for them. And now I think we're pretty close or at the fishing destination. Sun is coming up, so I think we're about ready to go out and fish. So that's my update. All right, we'll see you in a second.
Yeah, I can't get him. Georgia? Hold on, let some line out before you break that rod tip.
We busted the rod.
Let some line out.
It's you can pull it.
Now grab your weight. Pull it towards you. Straight, that's good. Pull your weight towards you. There you go. Yeah, hopefully. Alright, there we go. Pliers good?
Yeah.
As kids.
I'm gonna go have lunch in there.
Alright everyone, back from the fishing trip. Here are my thoughts. I didn't catch anything personally. I know I got a few bites, at least 3. Didn't catch anything, not even anything, literally nothing. Last time I caught like 2 teeny baby fish, like one, actually maybe 3 last time, a couple teeny ones, and then actually like one like 8-incher, 9-incher. But this time I caught nothing. It was more of a bigger fishing trip, salmon and steelhead. Didn't catch anything. Coworker caught, my one coworker caught 2, and that was it. No one else caught anything. But other than that, someone let it go. But other than that, it was still a fun time. I just wish I could have caught something. I wish it was more exciting, but it was still a good time out on the river with coworkers and fishing people. I think the one guy works for a company, but he does the fishing trips, so I saw him last year, so good to see him again, and his son came along, so that was fun. They were really helpful, but it was, regardless, it was still fun, and then good time away from work, and good learning experience, so still getting back on some fishing techniques, so maybe next time I can catch something or go a little bit somewhere easier spot, because yesterday they caught like 15 fish, but today we only caught 2, so hopefully next time the water can be clearer, and I don't know, there's a ton of people out there, but like they were saying, sometimes it's hit and miss, sometimes you catch a whole bunch, sometimes you catch nothing for several days, so that's what it is with fishing, I guess they say. So anyways, still a good time, but I just wish I could have caught something I was really hoping to, but all in all, it was a good time. So that will do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Oh, and actually my other coworker caught a sturgeon, but we threw that back out, so technically it was 3 catches. So anyway, starting to rain here, but yeah, if you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here in the next video, which will be coming up shortly, because I just stopped at the house and made a video for about 9 minutes. Some big changes, so if you guys want to see the progress on my house, make sure to stop by again real quick for another video. Probably mention all this, like and subscribe. See you guys back in the next one. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Lastly, if you guys could take 30 seconds to vote for Joanne, the link is in the description. Voting ends in a few days, and I'd appreciate it. Thanks.